Wow. If you ever get a chance to get to Colorado Springs, come to Garden of the Gods. Some places don't feel like they were made for us. Millions of years old. At first, this place feels almost too easy. Drive up, take a picture, move on. Paved paths, scenic pull-offs, viewpoints you barely have to work for. And honestly, I caught myself moving through it the exact same way. But the longer I stayed, the stranger it started to feel. It's strange standing beside something that measures time differently than you do. The mountain doesn't know what year it is. These rocks have watched entire civilizations come and go, and somehow I still worry about unanswered emails. You spend enough time in places like this, and eventually you stop feeling important. Not in a bad way. Not small as in meaningless. Small as in accurate. Because some places don't make you feel powerful. They make you feel correctly sized. And maybe that's why people are drawn to landscapes like this in the first place. Not to conquer them, not to even understand them, but to remember their place in things. Out here, the noise of normal life starts sounding temporary. The deadlines, the stress, the constant feeling that every problem needs an immediate answer. 1,000,000 years of wind and weather has been moving through these stones, slowly shaping them grain by grain, completely indifferent to whether anyone was here to witness it. And for a moment, standing beneath all of this, I stopped feeling like the center of the story. Nothing in my life changed when I stood here. Same responsibilities, same problems waiting for me back home. But somehow, everything felt lighter. Maybe peace isn't found in escape. Maybe it comes from remembering how brief we are, and realizing that brief doesn't mean insignificant. Fantastic. It don't get much better. Woo! think we spend a lot of time trying to hold on to moments. Prove we were there. Make them mean something. But places like this, they don't ask you to take anything with you. Just to notice that you were here.